Hello everyone, welcome back to the web3 hacking with Python course. So in this session we are going to discuss about web3 hacking with using the AI. So how AI can help you when we doing auditing or bug hunting stuff. So in here I'm going to use a DeepSeek and ChatGPT, but DeepSeek is new and is now in use. So I'm going to use this DeepSeek in here. It's DeepSeek, I see. Okay. Its appearances look like ChatGPT. So I'm going to use my old token, Chainlink token, but I'm going to show you something before we go in ahead. So this is a contract is already audited because you can see audit report in here. So this one is already audited in 14 April 2019. So it means there is a very last chance to get the vulnerability in here because someone is already audited for you. Callisto network is already audited for you, so you can, if you're interested, you can come and read this audit report. So when you doing your audit and writing the report, you get the idea about it, how to write, the report for the client. So read it out in later, but I'm going to start. So I'm going to copy the code. So assuming that I have no idea about how to read about the Solidity code, so I'm going to ask that first start with the hello to DeepSeek. Let's see what he reply. Okay, so I'm going to ask like, uh, can you can you analyze this Solidity contract file and explain me about the code, and let's see they reply what they reply to me. So this Solidity contract is an implementation of Chainlink token, ERC20 token. There's an overview, and they giving the key component using a safe mat library, and also explaining here about that library. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, so they start explaining about the token, which token and everything stuff, which is that ERC20 token with the additional functionality from ERC 677 standard, which is the NFT based ERC standard. Explaining about that controlling token again a key feature. Nice. He also give you use cases. Okay, so what can we do? We can go through it. So it's a very simple way to they explain about the contract and their contract names and stuff. So let's asking about the can you tell me about the function of of this contract? Let's see. So they start with the core function. So you can transfer, you can see the balance and transfer from. There's a behavior, purpose, and everything they give you. So if you have not much idea or not much knowledge about the Solidity, you came here and ask AI for that. So they will give you everything rough idea to write in the test cases. Additional functions. Oh, wow. Oh wow, nice. They're giving us very much detail about the contract, but yeah, we are the security guys, so we are interested in the vulnerability stuff, right? So I'm making some prompt-based question for you guys. So whenever you are doing, you guys asking those questions to AI, but don't trust 100% on it. Okay, we have to rewrite the test case for that and POC, create the POC for that. If you are doing bug bounty, definitely you need the POC and also the apply code when you submit the bounty for report. Okay, so let's ask about the vulnerability in it. Let's see what they reply. Oh no. Okay, let's. Oh, server is busy. Oh god. Okay, so free. So okay, it might be happen something like that because they give you many things here. It might be Saba is busy. So I'm not going to use ChatGPT because it's the same thing. So when you watching the tutorial video, you also get this question in it. So you can copy and try to ask those things to DeepSeek or ChatGPT and see that those results and try to create a POC for it. I'm going to show you in next video how you can write the POC stuff. So I'm going to stop here because DeepSeek is busy now with the other guys, I guess. So see you in next video. Bye bye.